So I'm Gaurav Khitarpal and I run a D2C brand by the name of Tempt. We are into mobile accessories specializing in audio and power, and we're into distribution, corporate gifting and online sales.
What was going on in your business, the specific challenge or frustration around AI that made you decide to join this workshop?
Okay. So मैंने AI के बारे में पहले काफ़ी पढ़ा था, but my team was not aligned. Some people were using AI, some were not. And I thought because, if we don't use AI, the business will get redundant in the future. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे AI के बारे में थोड़ा और डीपली जाना चाहिए and I should train my team as well. So that's the reason I joined. And there were quite different challenges also, I should say, like team alignment or there was some skill issue what I feel. So I thought अगर AI use करेंगे, their efficiency will increase.
What's the one thing you're walking away with that you're most excited to implement on Monday morning, and what kind of impact do you expect it to have?
Okay, so in these 3 days workshop, the best thing has happened is the strategy what we've made. So the 7-point framework which we made, we got like a McKinsey kind of a strategy, and that could have been made through AI. That's quite incredible. And if we work on that strategy, we can get good results.
So there's no shortage of AI content out there, YouTube, webinars, other workshop. What made this one different, and what did you make of Ritesh's way of teaching it?
So Ritesh ji has a very different way of teaching. उनका बहुत पर्सनलाइज टच है हर चीज़ को लेकर. AI के अंदर it's very simple, I should say. एंड जितनी डिटेलिंग में वो चीज़ को बताया उन्होंने एंड द वे दे हैव ट्रेन्ड एंड एक एक प्रॉब्लम को हमको कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करना है, what is the latest trends going in AI. He is quite updated with that, and with each passing day, like AI is changing and he is aware, and उसके हिसाब से वो मोल्ड करते हैं और अपना करिकुलम भी चेंज करते हैं. That's what I've seen, and it's quite incredible, I should say.
Thank you. A lot of business owners hesitate before signing up. They wonder if it's too technical, too expensive, or not relevant to their industry. Having been through it, what would you say to someone sitting with that same hesitation?
So I would say if anybody is not using AI, sooner or later they will be closed, I should say. So AI is the future. You must do it. There are so many complex problems which AI can solve, which Ritesh ji has explained to us. My team who is here for their, for this workshop, they have created HR system, they have created follow-up, logistics, whatever things, whatever complex situations we have, they have worked on that through AI and made a software out of it. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में जो भी कॉम्प्लेक्स सिचुएशंस हैं उसका सॉल्यूशन AI है, एंड इट कैन बी सॉल्व्ड थ्रू रितेश जी's वर्कशॉप.
If there's a business owner watching who's serious about using AI to grow their profits, what's your honest recommendation about joining the next batch?
So I should recommend Ritesh ji for sure, and he is one of the best AI coaches what I feel, because of his personalized touch and his experience. You must join this workshop along with your team, and it will give you best results, I should say. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.